Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my regular viewers and welcome to anyone new here. This is a follow-up video, a part 2 video to my Tonic Craft Kit unboxing of Tonic Craft Kit 51, which was Sweetheart Bouquet. And in the first video I made 3 cards, and in this video I'm bringing to you 3 more card ideas. So it's going to be quite a short video, so I'm just going to show you the cards and talk about how I made them. So in the first video, which if you haven't seen, I'll put a link in the description box so you can go and check it out. This is one of the cards that I made, and as you can see, it's paper pieced to the max because I just love paper piecing. It just is so pretty and makes me so happy. Although it does make my crafting muscles, this particular muscle in my back, it always makes it ache, but I do think it's worth it. So anyway, so to create this these beautiful purple roses, I cut out a scrap of the gorgeous purple mirror card and infilled those pieces, and then I had this piece that was just a bit bigger than that, which was effectively waste, but as crafters we try and waste as little as possible, don't we? And so to me it kind of looked like a plant pot. So I pretty much straight away had the vision to turn this piece into a plant pot and make some lovely florals come out of it. So you might recognise these stamps. These are the stamps that came in last month's kit, so Craft Kit number 50, the Give It a Twirl. So these 3 blooms came together on one stalk or stem, and then this one's a separate one, and I just drew that on freehand, and I used my Nuvo alcohol markers to colour them in, and then added some Nuvo crystal glaze to the centres of the flowers to give them that nice shiny finish. And then I dug through my stash to find a nice birthday sentiment that was in a strip, because I thought that would look really nice across the plant pot. And I can't remember off the top of my head which kit that is, but I'll link it in the description box below. Then I simply matted it onto some of the shaded lilac and finished off with a few of the gorgeous vintage drops. So that's the first card. Then the second card I think really highlights the simplicity of creating cards using this die set. So because we've got these 2 beautifully large die panels that essentially cover the whole, or pretty much as you want it to cover, of a standard American size A2 card, you can basically just run it through your die cutting machine in a nice cardstock and then back it with some a different coloured cardstock, and you've got a card there ready to go. For this one I used one of the little skinny dies to do the top bit, and then I reversed it for the bottom bit because, as you can see, it sort of looks like a circle. So I haven't used the other one, but that's just another lovely intricate pattern. And then for this one I used the rectangular sentiment which says love and hugs, and I've also put some of the crystal glaze in there. And the backing to these panels I made using this one, the lovely Nuvo crackle mousse. So I simply got some of the crackle mousse and spread it onto a panel of 300 GSM white Craft Perfect, let that dry, and then I incorporated it into the card by cutting it into little strips and then sticking it behind the decorative panels, and then I raised the sentiment up onto foam pads, and again I've just added a few of the lovely vintage drops onto that one. So you really can just make beautifully quick cards with this set. And another thing about this set is it's perfect for shakers. So you can hear the nice shakery noise that it makes. So for this one, this is really quite a good one for those of you who are quite new to making shaker cards. It's really simple. So basically I chose one of the large background panels and used the lovely purple metallic cardstock. and then I chose one of my Tonic Studios rectangle nesting dies, and I stuck that with some tape to the panel, so, and then to the card, so that when I ran it through, this would stay in the same place. Because what I've done is I've cut 2 more pieces exactly the same as this from 300 GSM white cardstock, so when you look at it from different angles you can see the dimension to it, which looks lovely and also enables us to make the shaker. So basically what I did for this is, once I had this element with the rectangle cut out, I turned it upside down, I cut a piece of acetate to fit that size, be slightly bigger, adhered that with wet glue onto there. Then I stuck the next 2 panels, the white intricate panels, on top. Then I sprinkled in the gorgeous lilac bloom confetti, which is just absolutely stunning. You can see all of the AB colours coming off that, and then stuck it onto an A2 card. And then for the sentiment, I just wanted to keep it really simple, so I chose the really nice and versatile best wishes sentiment, which is just useful for so many things. You know, you could use that for a birthday or a wedding, or thinking of you, or, you know, happy new job. You could use it for so many things. It's really versatile. So that, my friends, is my 3 additional makes using this craft kit. And just as a reminder, here are the first 3 that I made. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this short video. If you have, be great if you would use your thumb and give it a like, and feel free to ask me any questions that you like in the comment section below. I'll always get back to you, and have a mooch around my channel and check out some of my other videos if you like, and I'll see and speak to you soon with some more crafty goodness. Bye for now.